Howdy, folks. We got ourselves a brand new bike to the floor, 2026 Street Bob. This one is in Billiard Gray, and this one does have the laced wheel option. We got a LED headlight up front, LED turn signals. This will have a 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission, with ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, quartering ABS, cornering traction control. It's got it all. And then, of course, you got the ride modes as well. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and sport mode on this one. This one is the 2-up version, so you'll have a rear seat and rear passenger pegs. Big fan of the Street Bobs. Oh, and LED turn signals out back as well. Come on down and check it out. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920 498 8822.